From Drab to Fab, our incredible home makeover. We all want our homes to be comfortable and stylish, but sometimes it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's how my husband and I felt when we moved into our new house a few years ago. The previous owners had left it in a state of disrepair, and we didn't know how to transform it into the home of our dreams. But with a lot of hard work and some expert advice, we were able to turn our Drab house into a fab home. The first thing we did was assess the space. We looked at each room and thought about how we wanted it to function and feel. We realized that our living room was too dark and cramped, so we decided to knock down a wall and create an open floor plan. This allowed more natural light to flow in and made the space feel much larger. Next, we turned to the kitchen. It was outdated and lacked counter space, which made cooking and entertaining difficult. We decided to invest in new appliances and cabinets, and we also added a large island with a granite countertop. This gave us plenty of room to prep food and entertain guests, and it also gave the kitchen a sleek, modern look. Another important aspect of our home makeover was the color scheme. We chose a palette of warm neutrals, including beige, gray, and ivory, to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. We also added pops of color with accent pillows, artwork, and area rugs. This helped to tie the different rooms together and create a cohesive look throughout the house. One of the biggest challenges we faced during the renovation was the bathroom. It was small and outdated, and the fixtures were old and inefficient. We decided to gut the entire space and start from scratch. We added a new tub, shower, and vanity, and we also installed new lighting and tile. This transformed the bathroom into a spa-like retreat that we love to relax in. Finally, we turned our attention to the exterior of the house. The previous owners had neglected the landscaping, and the yard was overgrown and unkempt. We hired a professional landscaper to help us design a new layout, and we also added a patio and outdoor seating area. This gave us a beautiful outdoor space that we can enjoy year-round. Throughout the renovation process, we learned a lot about home design and construction. We also worked with a team of experts who helped us make informed decisions and stay within our budget. Here are some tips that we learned along the way. Prioritize functionality. Think about how you want each room to function and design accordingly. Make sure there is enough storage, counter space, and seating to meet your needs. Invest in quality materials. It's tempting to cut corners and choose cheaper materials, but this can end up costing you more in the long run. Invest in quality appliances, cabinets, and fixtures that will last for years to come. Don't overlook the details. Small details like lighting, hardware, and accessories can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your home. Don't skimp on these details, as they can really tie a room together. Consult with professionals. If you're unsure about a particular design or construction decision, consult with a professional. They can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. In the end, our home makeover was a huge success. We were able to transform our Drab house into a fab home that we love to live in. By prioritizing functionality, investing in quality materials, paying attention to the details, and working with a team of experts, we were able to create a beautiful and functional space that meets all of our needs.